Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand involves setting up the correct FFMPEG binary for your Moviepy project. This problem arises when the default binary provided by Imagio doesn't quite cut it, and you need to specify a custom path to the FFMPEG binary on your system. Now, on to the solution. To resolve this, you can use a simple line of code in your Python script. By importing the OS module and setting the environment variable FFMPEG_binary to the path of your custom FFMPEG binary, you can ensure that Moviepy uses the correct binary for your needs. This step is crucial for ensuring smooth operation of your Moviepy project and avoiding any potential errors related to the FFMPEG version mismatch. In summary, by following the provided solution and specifying the path to your custom FFMPEG binary, you can overcome the FFMPEG version compatibility issue in your Moviepy project. Remember, keeping your FFMPEG binary up to date is key to ensuring optimal performance and compatibility with Moviepy. So, give it a try and see the difference it makes in your video editing workflow. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, the world could always use a little more movie magic in it.